Panguva ine pari kuonekwa kunzi the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 currently iri kudhibhetwa pamusoro payo aiwa this period inoonekwa kunzi ye90 days. Toona kuti yesterday the ZANU-PF Politburo yakagara pasi nhau yaitongozikamwa iri kudhiskaswa ipapo inge iri nhau ma-constitutional amendments nenhau ye2030. Kumwe kwese tingatenderera kana tingaudzana kana vangauya vakachema ma-national heroes akadeclarewa recently, but panguva ino ndinozwa kuti the core central part inhau yema-amendments achapusha for 2030. Ndisapinda mashoko kuda nyika panapa the news works nokuba subscribe or like on the bell icon. News works nokuda nyura chiti today's ZANU-PF 390 ordinary session of Politburo focused on the constitutional amendments that extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa by 2 more years to 2030, while elongating the presidential term of office from 5 to 7 years and abolishing direct presidential elections. The hotly contested reforms also change the political, electoral, and governance system of the country. Cabinet recently approved the proposals before the parliament, subsequently gazetted the Zimbabwe Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, currently being debated by the public for 90 days. Do developments aripo panguva ino tiona kuti aiwa ndona iri kutiridza ZANU-PF now yema-amendments bill avo achapapusha to 2030. But there is a question yamboraised na someone aiwa anoona kuti anouya achikweshena ava zvigananda kuti yes, you are supporting my constitutional amendment, but do you think you are going to benefit after the amendment? Who do you think is going to benefit more? Panguva mchinge ma-amend the constitution, panguva mchinge ma-atena the vision 2030. Who do you think is going to benefit? Just because look how much ZANU-PF is sacrificing Canada, how much Ugandandas, a crew iri surrounding Mutukambi Nyika, are they spending to secure their 2030 plan? Do you think with Chinguri Chimjema 2 years yet, Chongonzi they're just fighting to attain 2 years from 2028 to 2030? Zotoguma Shakadaro. But Zama Fungro aim to be pamusoro pechitku ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.